Welcome back to the Retro Room, everybody. This is a place where I buy, collect, and resell vintage items such as video games and consoles and collectibles. And I'm hoping to help you on your collecting and reselling journey. And I have a be on the lookout today for you. And that is Texas Instruments ti-83 Plus and ti-84 Plus graphing calculators. I have a limited edition ti-83 Plus here. These sell all day long on eBay for between 30 and 50 bucks. They ship out with the U.S. Postal Service first class mail. Under a pound, these go out for about $5 a piece. The things to look out for when purchasing these are glitchy screens, the calculator not to power on, and opening the battery tray and making sure that there isn't any corrosion. Anyway, I hope you guys found this information useful, and I hope to see you in the next video. Take care, everybody.